Thank you, Madam Chair. Ladies and gentlemen, the debate on possible enlargement is gathering pace. But before we make premature promises or open up new prospects for accession, we need to pause and ask ourselves, what is good for Europe and what is right for our citizens? The European Union is not an end in itself. It is not an open house that anyone can enter as long as they knock. It is a union of values, a political project with aspirations and responsibilities not only towards the candidate countries, but above all towards its own member states. The skepticism of my party is not an expression of regression or nationalism. It is an expression of political responsibility. We want the Copenhagen criteria to continue to be met for every new country that is admitted to the European Union. Because every enlargement brings not only opportunities, but also risks. We must ask the question, how much enlargement can deepening tolerate? If we continue to grow without strengthening the EU, both politically and institutionally, we risk undermining its ability to act. A strong union needs clear rules, because in the end, it is not about Brussels, but about our homeland, about our democracy, our security, and our future. Thank you very much.